Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to move Roblox to another drive. So follow these easy steps to easily move your Roblox to another drive. The first thing you have to do is on your computer, click on the search icon and here type Roblox. Now right click on Roblox player and click on open file location. And again right click on Roblox player and click on open file location. And now you have to click on this version folder and then select Roblox folder. And now all you have to need, press Ctrl A to select everything in this Roblox folder. And now you can cut all files from this folder or you can copy all files from this folder. Now go to your new drive where you want to move your Roblox and you can create a new folder here. And now just open the folder and you have to press Ctrl V to paste all Roblox files. Once it's completed, now launch the Roblox player and it will launch from your new drive. This is how we can move Roblox to another drive. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.